Okay, hey guys, so this first part, I didn't realize that my mic was broken and detached, so this whole clip was completely mute, which is really frustrating, but I spent the time welcoming you to my channel and saying hi. Make sure you're following me on all my social medias, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you buy my phone cases. Link down below. Anyway, this video is going to be kind of a random vlog. I'm going out to dinner with my boyfriend, to a movie and dinner, and then I'm also doing a little bit of a haul and also an empty apartment tour. So that's this video. Really hope you guys enjoy. Let's go downstairs and make some coffee.
I was freezing, stuck in the season, yeah. You made a reason, my heart's been beating since. And baby, do you believe me if I said you make me crazy? Oh, and baby, oh, the way you say my name, I'm feeling hazy. Oh, I feel hazy. I like the way you say my name with the blood in your face.
Testing. Okay, so my mic broke. So good thing I had two because that would have been bad. I mean, I could have still recorded without a mic, but it muted when I did this haul. So let me just do it again for you. So I went to Stitch and Feather. I'm actually gonna put you guys over here. So I went to Stitch and Feather. Stitch and Feather for me is very much a hit or miss. It either is really good or obviously it's really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got was this cute hat. This is from the brand Olive and Peak, and I just thought it was so cute. I'm very into like straw hats right now. It kind of looks like a sombrero, but I'm very into straw hats, straw cowboy hats. I just think they're very in right now. And this was $60, I believe. Yeah, $60. Then I got these pants. They're like a nice like cream tan color, and they're very flowy, and they tie at the front to give kind of like a skirt kind of accent. I just think they're so cute and so airy and perfect for summer, and they're so cute on. They're literally so flattering. And these were, I believe, 40 something. I think they're, yeah, $40, $39.50. And then I got this dress, kind of almost like a cover-up kind of deal. It's from the brand called Edit by Nine. This is $48. And it's this white linen material, and it buttons down and it ties at the waist, and it gives a very flattering look and very elegant, very timeless and mature. I feel like I've been wanting to like not switch up my wardrobe, but like add a little bit more of mature pieces into it, because I feel like right now I'm dressing like I'm 18 and I'm almost 23. That's everything I got from Stitch and Feather, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and show you guys what I got from Urban. We love an Urban haul. And before I get into the Urban haul, I have some info about their sales. It is so hot and sticky outside. It is disgusting. Oh, there she comes. Jody, come on. Oh, there comes Buffy too. Let me tell you about their sale right now. So Urban is having a home sale from July 15th to the 19th. There's up to 40% off of like bedding, rugs, bath, pillows, throws, and a lot more. So make sure to head over to Urban for that good sale. So this is what's in this box. The box. So I got a few things for my home. I have another box coming, but I just don't know when it's gonna be here. So I'll just keep you guys updated with that. So this is a little basket. Look how cute this is, like the texture. I love it. It's like a very decorative basket for storage or anything like that. So this was really cute. This was $34. Then I got a pair of pants, and these are called the Cowboy Jean. They look like this. Honestly, they might be kind of small. Should have sized up. Whatever. But yeah, they're just like this nice cream color with like a brown stitching, I would say. And does this have a price? This is $64. I got a pair of shoes. which I never get shoes from Urban, but they were really cute. They're like little espadrille sandals. I've been loving this, especially for summer and stuff. Especially with everything I got from Stitch and Feather. These are so cute. I got size 8, 50 bucks. Everything also is linked down below for you guys. So if you guys like any of these items, they will be in the description box. And then I got this graphic, which I love Urban Outfitters graphics. They're so cute. It's like a big oversized t-shirt, blue. It has like a bunch of like space and skeletons. It says, enjoy life, have fun. It's a skeleton and like planets and stuff. Super cute. And I got a bath mat. the different types of items that I have. This is a bath mat and it's kind of like a runner. I'm not going to open it because it's going to be crazy, but got it for my bathroom at my apartment. And then the last thing in this box is another pair of shoes, and I'm very excited about these. Very different from what I normally go for. They're like platform, like strappy, like they almost look like dad sandals, you know, when dads are like on vacation and they wear these types of sandals, but like platform and cute, you know, like these are so cute. I've seen them all over my Pinterest, I feel like. So that's what I got in this first box. The other box is on the way, so I will update you guys in another vlog when I get that package. But that's what I got as of right now. So it is about noon. I kind of want to get food. I want a salad. So I might go to Mendocino Farms, get some food. Let's FaceTime Q, see what he's up to. Oh no, he's on the toilet. So, a little update. We're going to go look at the apartment. I'll do a little empty apartment tour, I guess, with my mom and Q's mom to go and see it. Ellen is playing in the background. Ignore it. That's what we're going to do right now. So I will show you guys as much as I can there. I don't know if I'm going to bring this camera or if I'm going to do it on my phone. I'll probably bring the camera. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you guys through it, kind of like a voiceover style. So this is what you see when you walk in. You see the kitchen, the living room. Very spacious and really clean, which I really like. So this is my bedroom and Q's bedroom. Yeah, really bright open windows. This window looks out into like a cute little courtyard area, which I really, really love. And then you see the closet, which is a really big closet. I'm really excited for this, and it's not good for my wallet, but we're not going to talk about it. Sorry, Q, in advance. And then you move on to my bathroom, and this is a decently sized bathroom. One sink is very white again and clean, and yeah, it has like a bath in it. And then you go back out into the kitchen area. Here's another look at the kitchen. Very white and clean looking. This island is movable, so that's really nice. And then you go into Kate and Jake's area. This is their bedroom right here. They're kind of like facing the balcony, and then they have a really big closet as well. And then you see their bathroom, which is right here, and again, same size, really nice and clean. And then yeah, just a bunch of storage space, which I really love. They have a nice full-size everything basically. And again, this is the courtyard that you look out into, and then you have a little balcony, which I am so excited for. I feel like we're going to utilize this balcony a lot, so I'm really excited about that. And then they have we have this little entryway closet. And then this is like the common area, kind of like showing you guys the amenities a little bit. Very spacious, a lot of space to hang out and be with friends and study and everything. This is an outdoor area for like all of the residents. And then this is the rooftop pool, which I'm most excited for. It's so stunning and I love it very much. And yeah, that's the apartment. Okay, here's my outfit. This tee is from Urban. These jeans are Princess Polly. I'm wearing Converse. My hair is up with extensions and this cute ponytail. And then jewelry, I have Nordstrom bracelets and Forever 21 bracelets. And then my rings, this one is Uncommon James, this is Every Jewels, Adidas, and Every Jewels as well. Yeah, we're gonna go see Black Widow and go to my favorite restaurant ever. Let's go. Date night.
Ew, I'm just kidding. Date night.
We are smuggling drugs. We're smuggling talkies in my shirt. I look like I'm literally. And then I have candy in my bag. We're gonna go watch. Jake's not working. Time to watch Black Widow. Hey guys, so it is about 12:40 in the morning and I'm going to bed, but I wanted to give you guys a little update. We saw Black Widow. It was really good. Not my favorite like Avengers Marvel movie, whatever, but it was still pretty good. I felt like there's a lot of like family, like not so much action. Like the idea of action movies doesn't sound good to me, but then like once I'm watching it, I'm very like into it. I feel like there wasn't a lot of action and it was kind of just, I don't know, very like family oriented, whatever. I rate it 7 out of 10. Yeah, I'm going to bed. Q and I came home. Well, we went to dinner. I had 2 chicken tacos. We also had chips and salsa, rice and beans. I had a mango margarita. Q had a Pacifico. It was really good. We had the like tahini rim on the margarita. It was my favorite thing ever. Like mango margs are the best. So yeah, I had that, and then we came home and we watched some Friends. We watched like 3 or 4 episodes of Friends, I would say. Probably 3. And we were watching that like from start to finish, kind of, because I've never seen the show like consecutively. I've always seen like random episodes here and there, so it's like interesting to see like how it all plays out, you know. I am gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed if you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below telling me your favorite Marvel movie, and make sure you buy my phone cases, please, so we can twin together. Alright, link will be in the description box. Make sure you follow me on social media and stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.